Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Yeah, so last week I was supposed to post a video on Insta for gold, but I didn't because I had issue with editing and also putting that around. So I only posted on the YouTube. Yeah, you will notice that on my YouTube I didn't put my face. I had so many editing issues, so I could only publish the one I got from TradingView. So, well, let me just do a quick recap on what happened last week. So last week, I called a series of trades on different pair, and I want to do a quick update on those trades. So as you can see on my screen right here, one of the trade I called last week was GPP USD, and as you can see, it did hit my stop loss. Yeah, after and coming to my touch points for a buy, just went and came back down, hit my stop loss, and yeah, that's it. Things happen in forex, so this is one of those things. And well, what can I do? It happens. We move on to the next. That's one of the trade I called. Now I also called another trade on GPP JPY, and as you can see right here, it's my take profits 100%, even when it's a little bit more than that before coming back down. Yeah, I used the Fibonacci retracements. If you checked my YouTube, you would have seen the reason why I use that and everything about that. So it's my full TP. It's a good trade. It's a good trade, and massive profits. Yeah, that's good. I took a trade also on gold. Yeah, well, unfortunately, as you can see right here, it did hit my stop loss with just 1 week candle. Can you see that? That's so sad. But these things happen in forex. If I had just moved my stop loss a little bit lower, I would be in profit again. Cause say I entered right here, I was in profit, came back down into drawdown, yeah, went back up, came back down. The next candlestick that was pushing it up hit my stop loss before going. But these things happen in forex. There's nothing you can do about it. Yeah, I learned from my mistake, and I'll move on to the next. Yeah, so it's all good. I also took a trade on USD card. Now, on this particular trade, if you check my video that I posted on YouTube, I did say I was not too sure about this trade. I was not too sure because the things I was saying was not adding up. Yeah, I used the fib retracements, I used the trend line, but was not really adding up for me. It was kind of confusing. So I said I was not too sure. So the lot size I used on this trade was not that much because it was like a gamble to me. So I just used a little lot size that won't affect me too much. Yeah, so that was, and as you can see, it is my stop loss. So, but let's say this week we might get a good reason to enter a trade on USD card. So we'll look out on that. And the last trade I took was AUD USD. Now, as you can see, I'm still in the trade currently. I'm still inside this particular trade. Yeah, I entered right here. This went in profit, came back down for a retracement, the double bottom. So I feel like it should push up. That's what I feel like. So now for this particular trade, I might say I should call it trade on it for people, but it will be a risky trade for anyone to enter currently. Based on what I see, I feel like it will be a risky trade. If you have a big stomach for risk, then I feel like you can enter once um the the candlestick just passes this point 0.70893, and it might do a little bit test on it before going back up, and it might not. For some people, if it just touches it, you can just take a trade and you put your stop loss like around 0.69282 and your TP right here. But that's if you have a big stomach for risk. If not, I'll say just wait for the next trade. Yeah, miss good trades for great trade. Yeah, so it's not really necessary. For this week, I can't really say I have any trade to call out yet because the markets closed in a kind of bad way. So on gold, there will be a way, there will be some trades to take, but currently I don't see any way to enter a trade currently. So we just have to wait and see what happens. Yeah. So I think probably I will do a little update on whatever happens on the market again. to see if there's any positions to enter. So I think that's it for now, and see you in the next one. Ciao.